Okay, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
When you talk to her, do you guys talk in English or do you talk in Arabic?
We talk with each other in English in only one case. I remember when I was in school for practical teaching related to my university, we started to use English because we don't want the students to know what we were talking about. So I think this is the only way the only case we talk with each other in English.
Gotcha, gotcha. Interesting. So you only use English when you want to trick other people.
Yeah, when I don't
Gotcha.
want someone to know what I'm talking about.
When you want to be secretive.
Yeah.
When you want to be secretive and you want to be sneaky and you don't want others to understand you, you talk in English, right?
Yes.
But for the most part, you guys speak in Arabic, right?
Yeah, because you can talk in the same field, like you can talk with each other, and like I can express myself more in Arabic, and she's the same.
Guess what?
But
If you guys continue to only talk in English and practice, maybe you'll reach that level of expression in English like you have it in Arabic if you were to always practice with her in English. Do you think that's possible?
I don't know. I don't think it's possible because she's the same level as me
Some
in
practice is better than no practice. Do you agree?
yeah, for sure.
I'm just being an old, mean guy. Do whatever you want.